Namaste, welcome to the next video. I have promised you to take classes on teachers eligibility tests. So now today we will start with the Kerala teachers eligibility test. First of all, we have to see the different categories of the tests, and those you should know perfectly in order to face this kind of tests, competitive examinations. So under this KTET examination, Kerala Teachers Eligibility Test, there are 4 categories. As you can see here, category 1, that is exclusively for lower primary teachers, LP teachers. To become LP teacher, it is must. Passing this examination is must. And what is the eligibility to write this test is that higher secondary, you should complete higher secondary, that is +2 or PUC, like that, at least with 45% marks, and with that TTC, then or higher secondary with the diploma in elementary education. This is must for writing this category 1 KTET. Then category 2, that is for upper primary UP teachers. To become UP teacher nowadays, this is must. What is the requirement is UG plus B.Ed. UG, no, that is a degree, undergraduate course. It may be BSc or BA, BCom, etc. Any one of the degrees with the B.Ed completed. Those can write this category 2 KTET examination, or even higher secondary. HSC is higher secondary, and BELED, that is a course of 4 years. That can also be possible to write this particular category 2 examination. And another category, higher secondary plus BSc Ed or BA Ed, that's a kind of course of 4 years again. This can be done. This also goes with the category 2, that is the eligibility. I hope you can understand this. And category 3 is for high school teachers. For becoming high school teacher, you should clear this category 3. Requirement is UG plus B.Ed, UG plus B.Ed, or higher education, PG plus B.Ed. UG, you know, undergraduation course, and PG is post-graduation course, MSc, like that, MSc, ME, MCom, like that. With B.Ed, you can write this category 3 of KTET, and you can become high school teacher. One more thing you remember, if you clear this category 3, you can apply for lower primary teacher as well as upper primary teacher. This is valid for these 2 categories also. That one you remember. Actually, I cleared this category 3, and I became a teacher, that is UP teacher now, primary, upper primary teacher. So this one is the eligibility. Clearing this one is the eligibility for becoming these primary teachers also. So next category comes this one, that is category 4. This is for language, that is Arabic, Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu teachers for UP, and up to UP. I write here up to UP. Up to UP they can become teachers in these languages. And then special teachers or physical education teachers, they have to write this one only, the category 4 KTET examination. Again, the qualification required, eligibility is degree or diploma, any certificate courses with regard to that particular category under which he is specialized. Okay, that is required here. So, particularly 4 categories in KTET, and the eligibility is, and how you can apply. That is, application is exclusively online. You can submit application through online. The website is given here. This website you can visit, note down this, or this one also. You can get the link of this here also. So this is the brief explanation that you should know before facing KTET examination, Kerala Teachers Eligibility Test. So this much you should understand first. That is why I made this video for you before starting the actual course, actual classes. So next I will take the general paper first. General paper, the psychology, pedagogy, all those things comes under this. That one I will take first. The not serious classes with the some questions, their answers, and those will be important questions. So I'll take 5 or 6 questions in one video, so that with the explanation I can reach you, and you can get the real benefit of that. So thank you for watching. Keep watching. Next I will move to the thing I have said, that is questions and answers. That is very important here. With the syllabus we will go. I'll take some part of the syllabus, and I will cover up the questions for those that category of the syllabus, and then I will move further. So thank you.